Hey there, Dana Damara. I'm the creator and founder of Embody Truth Yoga School, and I wanted to just put together a quick video about the 300-hour advanced teacher training program that is happening right now. So, first of all, just logistically speaking, just so you know, 300-hour advanced teacher training program means that if you're on that track of becoming a yoga teacher and you're enrolled as an advanced teacher, you've already taken your 200-hour. Now, if you haven't taken your 200-hour, but you're still very interested in the content, please feel free to come to any one of my workshops. Just know that you won't get the hours and the credits toward advanced teacher training because you need your 200-hour first. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, because I get people who are like, I just want to come and learn from you. And that's wonderful. That's why I have an open book policy for all of my training programs. So you're more than welcome to come and hang out and have a good time. But if you're on the path of a teacher and you've taken your 200-hour, all these trainings that I offer, you're going to want to keep track of and count towards your 300-hour. When you complete, if you're on that path, and when you complete your 300-hour, you'll have 500 hours. So you'll have your advanced teacher training program certificate. So that's just kind of logistically how it works. So the way I've designed my program is it's made for people who want to kind of piecemeal their program together. And so they may or may not have the resources to go traveling for, say, a month and take a full 500-hour training. And they want to dive in a different way. They want to take a workshop and then maybe integrate it for a while, and then take another workshop and integrate it for a while. So that's kind of how I run my program. And this year, I've been doing trainings in Encinitas, California, here at the Soul of Yoga. And then I'm also running trainings at Yoga Flow SF up in San Francisco. So those are the two main hubs where I'm leading trainings, but I'm also working with other studios and certain festivals, hoping to bring some trainings over onto the East Coast and even into the Midwest and up in Canada. So keep your eyes open for that. But in the meantime, we've got Encinitas, San Francisco, and then also yoga retreats. So many of the retreats that I lead, we bring in some rich content, and it's more of like I offer you the opportunity to train and to learn. So most of my retreats can count toward teacher training. If that interests you, make sure you speak to me first so that we can go through that and make sure that we can get the accreditation that you need. In Embody Truth Yoga, I also offer mentorship for teachers, which I think is highly valuable and important. I think that sometimes when we step on this path of being a teacher, there's so many things that we can choose. We're not quite sure what to do. And so I coach many teachers on how to move forward in the direction that best suits their soul calling, their divine mission, with their purpose, whatever it is that they want to do and offer. And sometimes that changes over time. So, I've worked with teachers, way back in 2009 who are now coming back around saying, hey, I've changed my direction. Can you support me? And I say, absolutely. So it's a really beautiful process. It's almost like being held in a space of deep support and dedication and love for this practice, and understanding how vast the teachings are and how many roads there are to take in this process. So the trainings that I have coming up here in Encinitas, they're listed on my site, as are the ones for Yoga Flow SF. And I'd love to have you join me. They're really, it's self-explanatory, but there are some that are week-longs, there are some that are weekends, there are some that are a day long. So I just really encourage you to take a look and see what fits your repertoire of what you want to learn and what you want to share. I'm very much all about evolution, and how this isn't a path that takes us somewhere to get to, right? This is a path that we just walk along our whole life. So we might as well have fun with it, right? So again, just feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. My name's Dana Damara, and you can find all the information on my site. You could go to embodytruthyoga.com, and that'll put you right into the teacher training program, but you can also peruse my site at danadamara.com. Feel free to direct message me on Instagram or Facebook, Dana Damara Evolution, or reach out to me at my email, dana@danadamara.com. Again, I hope this helps in understanding everything, and I hope to see you somewhere along this path. Have such a beautiful day. Namaste.